Hi everybody and welcome back to Networking Made Easy. In my first episode I said I wasn't going to download Packet Tracer, but my hard drive ended up crashing and I kind of lost everything, so since I have to re-download again, I decided to go ahead and make a video on how to do it. So without further ado, let's jump into my get rolling. What we're going to do is you're going to search Packet Tracer. Then you can go to the very first URL here, the Cisco Packet Tracer Networking Simulation Tool. So you can see the download Packet Tracer when you enroll one of the 3 Packet Tracer courses. Now you don't actually have to take the actual course, all you have to do is enroll. So you go here to view courses, skills for AI, you'll be in this, bring you up to this page right here. Thing I do is enroll in a short thing, click on the link. Get started. Here you can sign up for your account, but I already have an account and I'm already logged in. So I'll go over here to where I'm already logged in. You see I've enrolled in a couple courses already because I downloaded a couple times, never actually taken them. So you don't actually have to take the courses, you just have to enroll in them. Once you get enrolled, go over here to resources, download Packet Tracer. Windows desktop version, we're going to do a 64-bit for, so you see also got Ubuntu and on Mac, but we're just going to do Windows desktop. Save it to wherever you're going to save it as, and we wait for it to download. Now based on the internet speed, it shouldn't take too long, but it could take a while, so we'll pause the video and come back once it downloads. Okay, so here we have the downloaded version. You see right here I still have the version of 801 from the first video, but we'll go ahead and upgrade to 821. We'll click on our file, we download it, click yes. Hit I accept, click next. We'll just go through all the defaults here, except for I do not want the desktop icon. Click next, click install. Now we wait for it to install. Again, shouldn't take too long. Alright, so once that finishes there, what you gotta do is make sure the launch Cisco Packet Tracer is clicked, click finish. Yes, click yes on that. Alright, it brings you to your Packet Tracer program. Just keep it logged in. Sign in using one of those. You know, if I remember. Put in your email. No. There we go. So you're logged in. Let's test it out here. So router up, and then we'll go over to switch. You're logged in. Set up. How? Give each one an idea. Just real quick. We'll go over that to another video. router. This right here. And there we go. Successful things. Everything's good to go. Successful packet tracer setup. I'll see you in the next course.